What's your name?
Kaylin.
Kaylin. Okay. Do you think you're going to win this competition?
Yeah. I'm pretty confident, yeah.
What are you going to play?
Probably rock.
I got you. What's your name?
Sam.
Sam. All right. Do you think you're going to win this competition?
Well, if she just told me where she's going, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And what are you going to play?
Scissors.
Scissors. Okay.
Yeah.
I know it. Oh. There, here we go. We'll just. There we go.
That looks about right, eh?
Right. So,
Yeah.
how does it feel to win the tournament?
It feels great, man.
How are you going to celebrate?
Put them in a place, like, what's the word? Organize them.
Organize them.
Yeah.
I got you. I think that's a great celebration.
Thank you.
You deserve all these beads.
Thank you so
I'm very
much.
proud of you.
Thank you.